In this lecture, we will introduce you to the three key roles that together form the backbone of a Scrum team: the product owner, the Scrum Master, and the development team. These roles are distinct yet interconnected, each critical to the success of a Scrum project. Together, they embody the collaborative spirit of agile methodologies, ensuring a balance between direction, facilitation, and execution. One of the key features of Scrum is its lack of a traditional project manager role. Instead, responsibilities are distributed among the Scrum roles. The product owner focuses on maximizing product value by prioritizing work, while the Scrum Master acts as a coach and ensures adherence to Scrum principles. The development team takes ownership of delivering high-quality increments of work. In hybrid approaches, such as those endorsed by the Project Management Institute, PMI, project managers often play a role in agile projects. However, in pure Scrum, there is no centralized project manager, a distinction that highlights the framework's emphasis on shared responsibility and self-organization. Let's explore these roles in detail. The product owner is the voice of the customer, tasked with defining and prioritizing the work that delivers the most value. This role is pivotal in aligning the team's effort with the strategic goals of the organization. Their key responsibilities are the following: visionary and prioritizer. The product owner owns the product vision and ensures it is clearly communicated to the team. They create and maintain the product backlog, a prioritized list of user stories. Customer advocate, they act as a bridge between stakeholders and the development team, collecting feedback, refining requirements, and ensuring the end of products meets user needs. Decision maker, the product owner decides what to build and when, balancing competing demands and constraints like cost, time, and scope. The typical tasks of the product owner are writing and redefining user stories, collaborating with stakeholders to identify priorities, reviewing progress, and ensuring alignment with the product vision. The skills needed are the following: strategic thinking, the ability to align the backlog with organizational goals. Communication skills, clear and effective communication with both technical and non-technical stakeholders. Decision making, confidence in making tough prioritization calls. Domain knowledge, familiarity with the industry or product area to understand user needs deeply. Dual language fluency. The product owner must bridge the gap between technical and business context. This means speaking the business language of stakeholders, focusing on value, ROI, and customer impact, while also communicating in the technical language of the development team, addressing technical feasibility, architectural concern, and design trade-offs. For instance, in the context of a MOOC platform, the product owner might prioritize building a user-friendly course catalog over implementing advanced analytics based on student feedback. They must clearly explain this priority to stakeholders in terms of business value, while also translating it into actionable user stories for the team, like create a searchable course catalog with category filters. The Scrum Master is the guardian of the Scrum framework, ensuring the team adherence to its principles and practices. They are not a manager in the traditional sense, but a servant leader and a coach. Their key responsibilities are facilitator. The Scrum Master facilitates Scrum events such as daily stand-ups, sprint planning, sprint reviews, and retrospectives. Barrier remover. They identify and remove impediments that could block the team's progress. Coach. The Scrum Master fosters a culture of continuous improvement, guiding the team toward greater efficiency and collaboration. Their typical tasks are leading retrospectives to identify and act on lessons learned, coaching the product owner on effective backlog management and more broadly the whole team, mediating conflicts within the team to maintain focus and harmony. The main skills needed are behavioral insight, the ability to read team dynamics and foster trust and collaboration, facilitation skills, proficiency in leading discussions and ensuring all voices are heard, agile expertise, deep understanding of Scrum principles and practices. Empathy and patience, supporting team members through challenges without micromanaging. For example, in the MOOC platform project, the Scrum Master might coach the team on writing proper user stories, ensuring that each story aligns with Scrum's iterative approach. They might also address conflicts, such as disagreements over design priorities, by facilitating open communication and finding consensus. Importantly, the Scrum Master may not have deep technical competencies. Instead, they focus on explaining the Scrum process and fostering a Scrum culture within the team, ensuring that everyone understands the principles and adheres to the agile practices. Their role is instilling Scrum values is as critical as managing the flow of work. The development team is the engine of the Scrum, responsible for delivering potentially shippable increments of product at the end of each sprint. Unlike traditional teams, the Scrum development team operates with a high degree of autonomy and accountability. Their key responsibilities are the following. Delivering value. The team works collaboratively to turn backlog items into working product increments. Self-organization. They determine how best to accomplish the work within the constraints of the sprint. Quality assurance. Team members ensure the deliverables meet the agreed upon definition of done. Their typical asks are designing, coding, and testing product features, collaborating on solutions during sprint planning, continuously refining processes during retrospectives. The skills needed are cross-functional expertise. Team members should possess diverse skills such as coding, testing, and UX design, enabling them to handle all aspects of the sprint goal. Maturity and autonomy, a strong sense of ownership, and the ability to manage their work without constant oversight. Collaboration and communication, strong interpersonal skills to thrive in a team setting. Trust building, building mutual trust to share knowledge openly and resolve conflicts constructively. In our MOOC platform example, the development team might work on implementing a course registration feature. A developer ensures the functionality works seamlessly with the database. A designer ensures the interface is user-friendly, and a tester ensures it meets quality standards, all while collaborating closely. Scrum teams thrive on trust and shared responsibility. When the team feels empowered, it fosters creativity and innovation, crucial for tackling the challenges of complex projects like the MOOC platform. In Scrum, the product owner, Scrum Master, and development team form a balanced triad, each role contributing unique strengths. The product owner ensures the team is building the right thing. The Scrum Master ensures they are building in the right way. And the development team ensures they are building it effectively. Together, they embody the collaborative, adaptable, and user-focused spirit of Scrum. While there is no centralized project manager in Scrum, the distributed responsibilities create a system where the whole team takes ownership. This approach not only enhances agility, but also fosters a culture of trust, autonomy, and continuous improvement. As you dive deeper into Scrum, consider how these roles might function within your own projects and what skills you can develop to succeed in the Agile environment.